in Azam City. You're watching One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with information, news, sports, and public affairs. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with love. Ang telebisyong pangmasa. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. One TV special report.
With the support of our officials here, we can clearly see that pickleball is a rapidly growing community here in our city. And this tournament reflects truly the spirit of Ascenso. And to welcome us in this event, please help me welcome Honorable Lorly Fuentes-Singres.
First and foremost, atong pakpakan o daigon sa ang atong buhing Dios for giving us an opportunity to gather here today. Siya ang tinubdan sa atong kusog kaalam ug mga panalangin. Maayong buntag kanatong tanan. Excited na ba? Excited na? Murag andam na gyud ang tanan para sa duha ka adlaw nga puno sa lingaw, panag-indigay o tinuod nga sportsmanship. Sa dili pa ko upadayon, tuguti ko nga ipadayag ang atong kinasingkasing na pagpasalamat sa atong mga leaders sa kanunay nagpaluyo, naghatag og suporta, pagpalambo sa sports ug sa atong komunidad. Una, usa ka mainitong pakpak sa atong hardworking Provincial Governor, Honorable Attorney Henry Sibilia Waminal. Atong 2nd District Representative, Congressman Sancho Fernando Ando Waminal. Atong Ascenso Pinoy Party List Representative, Congressman Indy Waminal Jr. Sa atong Halandong Mayor, Honorable Sang Norman G. Fuentes. Bisan tuod wala diri atong Vice Mayor, ato pong ug sa atong ug akong mga kauban na naa karon dinhi, Honorable Katkat Lim, Honorable Junjun Sakin, Honorable Salvador Canlas, ug ang atong board member Honorable Henry Estanyo. Ato sa silang hatakan sa masipang pakpak tanan. Gusto po na akong i-acknowledge ang atong mga organizers, tournament committee, referees, coaches, social media partners, volunteers, ug labaw sa tanan ang tanang players and supporters nga naghatag sa ilang panahon, kusog ug dedikasyon aron mahimong malampuson kining atong kalihukan. Mga higala, kining tournament dili lamang kini mahitungod sa kompetisyon. Kini usa ka selebrasyon sa panaghiusa, kahinsog, disiplina o sportsmanship. Usa-usab kini sa paagi sa paglig-on sa panaghigalaay ug sa atong common na tinguha nga mapalambo ang atong komunidad pinaagi sa sports. Samtang nagdula kita, hinaot na atong ipakita ang core values sa Asenso Pinoy. Kadugdog pa ba mo sa core values nato? Na kita mahimong respectful, matinahuron, sincere, matinud-anon, helpful, matinabangon, loving, mahigugmaon, ug labaw sa tanan, prayerful, maampuon. Kini na mga mithi mo'y atong giya dili lamang sulod sa court, kundili usab sa atong adlaw-adlaw nga pagkinabuhi ug sa pag-alagad sa katawhan. Subay usab sa ato ang developmental trust sa atong probinsya unsa ganito, misamisnon magpuyong, malinawon, malambuon ug malipayon, hinaot na pinaagi niining kalihukan. Mapalig-o nato ang panagiusa, panaghigalaay ug himsog na pamaagi sa pagkinabuhi. Kay kung malinawon ang komunidad, adunay panagiusa o pagtinabangay, masayon natong makabot ang tinuod nga kalambuan ug kalipay alang sa matag misamisnon. Ug sama sa giingon ni Billie Jean King, sports teaches you character. It teaches you to play by the rules, to know what it feels like to win and lose. It teaches you about life. Mao nga hinaot na kining tournament dili lamang maghimo nga mga kampyon sa dula, kundili maghulma usab og mga leader nga adunay disiplina, respeto ug kasing-kasing sa pag-alagad sa komunidad. Busa sa ngalan sa Asenso sa atong mga kauban sa serbisyo publiko, welcome kaayo mong tanan. Hinaot nga kining tournament mahimong usa ka malampuson, luwas ug makahulugan nga selebrasyon sa atong panaghiusa, gugma ug sports. Padayon Asenso Samis, padayon Segundo Distrito, padayon Asenso Pinoy, ug padayon matag bisan misnon nga magpuyong malinawon, malambuon ug malipayon. Daghang salamat ug maayong buntag kanatong tanan.
Thank you, Honorable Lorley Fuentes Cypress, for that very warm welcome to our very warm morning. We would also like to acknowledge the presence of our barangay captain, Cap Leo Migalan, for Barangay Aguada, and let's give him a round of applause also as a thank you for letting us use the covered court of Barangay Aguada for this tournament. Kipagpangan nato si Cap. At this point, please help me welcome our Honorable City Mayor, Honorable Sam Norman G. Fuentes, for his message.
Mayong buntag sa tuwang tanan. Murag pilit man ang kamuntagon, pero ang inyong reaction mura nakatulog pa. Usbo nato no, mayong buntag sa tuwang tanan. Tuguti lang ko no, pag-hatag ko, gamay nga kahinungdog. Ini okasyon sa tuwang naghiusa para sa first pickleball tournament. My warmest greetings to each and every one of us here. Our illustrious dignitaries have already been recognized by in the welcome address of Konsehal Lorely Fuentes Cypress. So, and I'm sure you all know them also by heart. And as we gather here for the opening of this first Ascenso Pickleball Tournament, this is in relation, as you all know, to our 78th charter anniversary. So this is one of the features that we have. Last night we had opening salvo of two, actually, the trivia night and the Ascenso Pool Park. And here we are celebrating another milestone, at least to remind us that the true strength of a community is not so much by the accomplishments through infrastructures or whatever we have already attained, but by the values that bind us together as people. And why we encourage sports? Because it is through sports, through discipline, respect among each and everyone, which is very important, and teamwork, which could translate in how you live your life. So far from being just a competition for medals or for the prizes that you will be receiving, let this be a celebration of friendship, unity, and shared passion for sports. Unquestionably, sports brings together regardless of age or profession. I'm sure all of you belong to different professions, different pursuits in life, but you share the same passion for pickleball. Although in our mini tournament, you have to be categorized because there are those that rise above and already are far beyond mere novices or beginners. So, as already stated also by Consihal Cipres, she quoted Billie Jean, former tennis champion, a long-time tennis champion, one of the first black Americans to make it to the Wimbledon. No, I'm sorry, not black. He was not a black American, he was LGBTQ. He was one of those that promoted it first. Recognized and accepted that fact. It translates into life and how we live our lives. Now, so, to cut it short, I'm sure that you are all enthusiastic to begin. To all participants, I encourage you to play with passion, compete with integrity, and inspire others, not only here, but even in your own workplace. At the end of every game, the greatest victory is not merely through winning championship, but building friendship, creating memories, and strengthening our sense of community. May this tournament serve as another reminder that every challenge and every competition, we move forward together, united by our love for sports and our shared pride for our beloved city. Happy 78th Day, Charter Anniversary, Ozame City. Let us celebrate not only the city's rich history and progress, but also the values of sportsmanship that continue to define us as a people. Padayon Ascenso, Padayon Kanunay, Ascenso Osakis. Maayong buntag pag-usap.
Daghang salamat, Mayor Sam and Kanunay Ascenso Osakis. And before anything else, I would like to announce that the owner of the car vehicle with plate number NBO6397, please go balhin sa pagpark. Again, owner of car number with plate number NBO6397. Wait for a while. And also with a vehicle with plate number ABS ABF 7080, again with vehicle ABF 7080. And APA 8592. And with plate number APA 8592. Thank you. Alright, at this point, we are nearing the end of our program. But as sportsmen here gathered in the first Ascenso Mazamis Pickleball Tournament, please help me welcome Honorable Catherine Lim to lead us in the oath of sportsmanship.
Please stand and raise your right hand. I state your name, a participant in this tournament, solemnly swear to uphold the true spirit of sportsmanship and fair play. I pledge to respect the rules of the game, the decisions of the referees and officials, and the efforts of my fellow competitors. I promise to compete with integrity, humility, and honor, whether I win or lose. Above all, I commit to fostering friendship, promoting camaraderie, and celebrating the joy of the sport for the glory of the game. This is vow. So help me God. Thank you.
Thank you. And please be seated. Okay, so now we have taken our oath of sportsmanship, and ayun, daghan kay naghulat ninyo ani na announcement. At this morning, we will be giving out cash, raffle, prizes, as well as tagos. So, isa ba excited sa itong raffle? Pila ko ako man mas excited sa raffle kaysa sa dula. Okay, but before anything else, ayaw sa tawta, mag-warm up sa tawta kadali, and ang pinakamuhataw, mautaw mo sortihan sa ulit kauya. Alright, let's request everyone to please stand, and after this, we will be giving out our raffle prizes for today. Kamoy maswertihan sa ato ang raffle this morning. Ihataw jud na. Ingon ato ang organizer diri dapita na the more hataw, the more chance nga inyuha ang prize. Okay na. Mag-start na ta sa tuwang warm-up. We will be showing in the screen. And this Zumba will be led also by our very own organizers. And our counselors. So let us give a big hand to our counselors for leading our warm-up session this morning. Gradually lang. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. competitive in our warm-up. Okay, ka-warm up na maguro ang tanan. But at this point, let us have the ceremonial rally. Oh, raffle tayo una. Ingon si organizer nga mag-raffle daw tauna. Okay, let us start with... Okay, the rule is, as always, dapat naa ang makadao. Okay, if wala, forfeit, next na po ng winner. Alright? Okay, we'll have 3 paddles again from Joshelle. And let us now... Okay, wait, kadali. Okay na? Okay na. Okay, let us spin for our first winner. Kaninang labay nga mga ngalan, nasad na sila kaninang labay nga ngalan.
Where every smile tells a story. And every journey becomes a memory. Canone senso, canone osami. Shores of Anguilla Bay to the hills Osami City.
Okay, trya sa dito, trya sa to. Grabe na gadto sila kulat. Okay, nanawakuan sila. Okay lang, pero napay chance to nalabyan ng mga ngalan, Dalila.
Canone osami.
Again, we will be having 3 paddles raffled from Joshelle. And after, we will be having raffle cash prizes worth 50,000 pesos.
The hills where dreams arise. A city shine.
Okay, please bear with us because I think that there's a technical error with our internet connection for our raffle.
Canone senso, osamis. Canone.
And our first winner is Sheila Marie A. Lenderio from Beginner Mix, Alasiba. Our first winner today. Good morning, ma'am. Please proceed to the center, ma'am, to claim your prize.
Together we shine.
To be presented by Honorable Lori Fantasy. Congratulations, malipay kay si ma'am. Ano siya nakadawag champion?
Place to grow. A place where hopes can thrive. Sa Bukagan Hill.
Congratulations, ma'am. And now we will have our next winner of the Joshelle paddle. And our next winner is Nicole Villanueva from Beginner Women. At wala si attorney? Okay, next. Wala daw.
Canone senso, osamis. Canone City luck. Beautiful city.
And the winner of the Joshelle paddle is Roy Dinopol. Roy Dinopol. Last call? Roy Dinopol. Okay, wala daw. 3, 2, 1.
Together we shine. Fresh seafood.
And our winner is
Proud local pride.
June Francis Lee Roaso. Last call for June Francis in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, wala. Sayang, tulo na ang wala.
Ozamis no may kasama sa pag-abot ng mga pangarap.
Next, we have Janice Te from Beginner Women. Janice Te. Oh, gusto ka kayong mawala din sa kamasahan. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Leads the journey, showcasing our city's pride.
And the winner is Christian and Cabo. Christian and Cabo in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Aktibo kayo, magwala ang mga tao. Next, Sir Pearl.
Come and experience, and fall in love. Ozamis City, luminescence of forever rising, forever beautiful.
We have, our winner is
Welcome to Ozamis City,
Ah,
where
wait for-
history meets opportunity.
Okay, I think nagka-technical error na po ka. So far, usa ka dyan na nakadaog. Si Ma'am Sheila, pa nakadaog sa atua. Oh, wait lang.